Alright, today I am going to show you guys how to set up and do some automated crafting with Applied Energestics 2. And so here we have just an ME controller, crafting terminal. You can see I have some things in here that I can click craft on. And so how this works is you need patterns, which you can see I have blank patterns here. And you create patterns to do, pretty much anything. Anything you can craft, you can create a pattern for. You can also do automate machines from other mods by using this processing pattern. You put in the input in the 9x9 here, and the output in the 3 output slots. Like you would do sand to glass, and then hit encode. Now you can also do this with this pattern encoder, but this will only allow you to do crafting patterns, not processing patterns. So let's show you how it works. So these are molecular assemblers, and in the center here I have an ME interface, and that's just connected to your ME controller. This is just a creative energy cell to keep it running. And you can see I have a redstone furnace here from thermal expansion, and right in between there an ME interface on this side and an import bus on this side. You set your input there, your output there, and you can hit craft and say I want 10 glass. Then you hit start, and you will see, boom, it starts to make the glass. So you can do the same thing with stone or anything else you need to smelt. So in order to do this, you need to set up a crafting processing unit. So you can see here I have a crafting co-processing unit, 1K crafting storage, crafting unit, and crafting monitor. And that last part is optional, but you can look at it, it just tells you what it's currently crafting. So now I will show you how to build one. Okay, so we're over here and we're going to put it together. So you will need a pattern encoder, ME controller, ME drive, ME interface, another ME interface, redstone furnace, molecular assembler, 1 redstone energy flux duct, some ME glass cable. You can use any type of cable. ME cable there, but that's just what I'm using. ME pattern terminal, ME crafting terminal. You could just use a regular ME terminal, that works as well. An ME import bus, some wood and stone, the crafting units, some ME storage cells, and some blank patterns. So let's put it all together. I wonder if this will fit in my inventory. Not all of it will, but no matter. So we have our ME controller. We're going to plop that down right there. Nope, not that. Redstone energy, and pattern controller boots up. So let's put glass cable there. Now keep in mind, if you're using just the regular glass cables, you can only have 8 devices on each one of these cables. If you need more than 8, you have to use the dense cables, and those can handle up to 32 devices per cable. So then we'll put our crafting terminal on there, bring it out this way 1, and put our pattern terminal on, and then we'll bring it out. We'll use our glass cable, and notice I'm using a different side. That's so again, this is separate. This is 8 more devices. Bring that around. Bring it out to, go with right about here. Bring it out and up. So, and on there, I am going to stick my ME interface. And put on the 5 molecular assemblers. So there you have that piece of it. Set down our pattern encoder. We'll go with right there. And then I'm going to put our crafting processor on the back here. Oh, it looks like I brought that out too far. Let's go with that, and then I'll put the monitor on the top. Oh, no, I guess that doesn't work. Put the monitor on the end. So, and there you have that piece of it. Now we're going to take and put our ME interface right there. Redstone furnace. Then we have our import bus. And we'll bring it up and over so it doesn't connect to the other one. And our ME drive we'll put on top here. Let's put our drives in, or our storage cells in. And we'll grab the rest of those. Alright, and so now we're going to put everything, we're going to start making stuff. So we know we need, well actually we don't need to do that. So we're going to go to our pattern terminal, and we're going to go wood planks, and we hit the encode button. Now we have that, put the wood in there, and then we're going to go over to these, and in the center here, this is where you put the patterns. So you see if I put it in there, it says crafts 4 oak wood planks from 1 oak wood. And we can do the same thing for, say, a furnace. I really don't need to put this in my inventory, but there we go. So, oh wait, I don't, wrong spot, but we'll do the same thing here. And you can leave your patterns in this pattern encoder. They won't despawn or disappear or anything. So then we put another one in. And as you can see, we have now can craft those two things. Now I'll show you how to do the processing ones. Clear that out. We're going to take that and we're going to go, and we actually need the output for to create this pattern. I guess this works without configuring the sides, noted. So we've got our stone there. We can go back to our pattern. We can put stone in the output, encode. Let's clear that out. We'll do one for glass as well. Just throw a piece of sand in there. And into the network it goes. So then put that in the output. Now these go in this ME interface right here. So that that ME interface is specifically for this machine. So you need one of those per machine you want to automate. And there you have it. That is how you do some basic auto crafting with Applied Energestics 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.